Okay, so we'll get into engineering graphics principles, unit 1. Okay, so unit 1 is all about the orthographic projections. In short, we call it ortho projection. We'll do nothing but projecting the three-dimensional objects into onto two-dimensional plane. And here we have 6 views of an object. So we look at the object from the front, top, right, and left side, back, and bottom. This is orthographic projection theory diagram, so you can see it very clearly. And you've got an object behind the projection plane. And we call this plane picture plane or viewing plane. And the parallel visual rays are going to strike on this plane. Your line of sight is on this side of the plane and is perpendicular to the projection plane. Therefore, we assume our viewing station is all the way in the infinity. This little sign is your infinity symbol. So this theory is basically telling you a method of representing your 3D objects in 2 dimensions. So in theory, it involves a projection point, and here is your space onto a 2-dimensional plane. Of course, we're not going to account for the perspective, and that projection method is we use it in technical drawing, engineering, and also architectural drawing to create accurate and detailed planes, because we need all this, all these dimensions of the features on the object, inside, of course, out. So what you need to know about your projection plane is you've got your permanent image of your object on that plane, okay? And you know how image is formed by the rays, the photon rays, okay? And we call them the visual rays in common word. This is your orthographic projection theory diagram, so don't forget that. Here is your object, and this is your plane, and the rays are striking on this plane and capturing the image of this object. Of course, since this is a plane, we're getting a 2-dimensional image. And your object is, of course, here is only one view, the side view. Your object is, of course, a 3-dimensional object. So in order for us to be able to visualize the 2-dimensional views or orthographic views, we usually use the pictorial views. This is your pictorial view, which is 3-dimensional. And this is your 3-dimensional, we call it in common words a pictorial, because it's like a picture, a view. And here are your multi-views, and they're all ortho projections, okay?